the air of anticipation surrounding Meghan Markle's highly anticipated Netflix cooking documentary was abruptly punctured by a subtle yet pointed remark from actor Tom Hiddleston during a recent appearance on the Graham Norton Show. While the official trailer had generated significant buzz, Hiddleston's seemingly offhand comment, "failed trailer ever," sent shockwaves through the media and ignited a firestorm of speculation. This seemingly innocuous statement, delivered with a mischievous glint in his eye, quickly became a viral sensation. Social media erupted with a flurry of reactions, ranging from incredulous disbelief to gleeful condemnation of the Sussexes. Many interpreted Hiddleston's remark as a deliberate, albeit veiled, dig at the couple, given their close proximity to the royal family and the intense media scrutiny surrounding their departure. The timing of Hiddleston's comment couldn't have been more poignant. The Harry-Meghan trailer had been met with a mixed reception, with some praising its intimate and vulnerable portrayal of the couple, while others criticized its melodramatic tone and perceived victimhood narrative. Hiddleston's remark, however subtle, seemed to tap into this undercurrent of skepticism, subtly suggesting that the trailer, and perhaps the documentary itself, might not live up to the hype. This incident, however minor, has reignited the ongoing debate surrounding the Sussexes and their decision to step back from royal duties. Critics have long accused the couple of exploiting their royal connections for personal gain, leveraging their celebrity status to build a lucrative media empire. The Netflix documentary, with its unprecedented access to the couple's private lives, has been viewed by some as a further attempt to capitalize on their fame and solidify their position as global influencers. Hiddleston's comment, however unintentional, has become a microcosm of this broader cultural debate. It reflects the deep-seated anxieties and resentments that many people feel towards the Sussexes, their celebrity status, and their perceived privilege. It also highlights the power of language and the subtle ways in which it can shape public perception and influence social discourse. Ultimately, the truth behind Hiddleston's remark may never be fully known. Was it a deliberate dig, a playful joke, or simply a product of his own dry wit? Regardless of his intentions, his words have ignited a firestorm of controversy and speculation, adding another layer of complexity to the already intricate story of the Sussexes. The Harry-Meghan documentary, when it finally airs, will undoubtedly be a significant cultural event. It will provide a unique and intimate glimpse into the lives of one of the most famous couples in the world, shedding light on their experiences with the royal family and the challenges they faced during their time in the spotlight. However, Hiddleston's seemingly innocuous remark has cast a long shadow over the project, raising questions about its authenticity, its motivations, and its potential impact on the couple's public image.